Enugu State Governor, Jagaban, and the Governor of Lagos State. Hagwalagi, na go bidone demolish you no Igbo na Igbo. So ka ha wele deceive one in hand and nine at Lagos. For them to deceive us, what did they do for Igbos in Lagos? They will demolish him. Tomorrow they will go another place. Next morning they will go another place, demolishing their house, taking back their land. And we Igbos know what these people are doing, tribalism. Now, it's like they have told you to start doing that in Enugu State, so that it will look like na normal thing government are doing. Or look at general something, so that we Igbos will not think that they are doing tribalism. They are taking Igbos property from Lagos. So it's like they want to use you. It's like they are using you, Governor of Enugu State. This message is for the Governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mba. This message is for you. I want to ask you a question. Governor Peter Mba, I want to ask you a question. And I want you to answer me this question that I want to ask you. The question, these houses in a demolish in Enugu State, I want to know your plan. I have do video against the Governor of Lagos State and the Jagaban, Tinubu, the way they demolish Igbo houses in Lagos, demolish their shops. The worst part of it is that any houses Lagos State Governor and Jagaban demolished, they will take that place. Listen to me, Igbo people will go buy land, build house. But when the government come, when they will demolish that house, they don't take over that land. So that Igbo man who buy land at that place and build house, don't lost almost 500 million naira or 600 million naira. It depends the location of the place on Angola. So now they are doing Igbos this thing now in Lagos, different part of Lagos. They will come today, do this place. The next day they will go another place, do it. They are doing it different locations at Lagos State. Now they are doing Igbos this thing at Lagos, and we Igbos are not happy. I have done video against the Governor of Lagos State and Jagaban for this thing they are doing to Igbos in Lagos. Now, some of the comment section, I received some comment where people they comment. They are telling me, okay, Oga, I should stop that thing while they talk. Why Enugu State Governor they demolish Igbo houses? Is it not the same thing the Lagos State Governor are doing? The same thing Enugu State Governor is doing? Because Governor Peter Mba, we don't demolish all these houses in the Enugu State. I say no, something is wrong. This is LNG, that something is going somewhere. Something is wrong. It is not possible. Igbo man that have sense. In this time and land, we are begging our brothers, our sisters, for them to return back home. And we are demolished more than 200, 300 houses. This is a plan. This is a plan, because this time we are begging them to return back, and you are now pursuing them out. So now, these houses where it is demolished, it will look like that Lagos State Governor, what they are doing in Igbos at Lagos is not tribalism. Or if one actually look, if I go plan, because I don't know the reason in this time that we are calling our brothers, our sisters for them to return back home, and in this time you are demolishing houses in Enugu State. Among me, but I don't know the problem. Whether the problem, whether that land is the problem of Enugu State. I don't know the reason. Go from Peter Mbayo. I want to know the reason. I want to know the reason. You have mind to demolish their houses. Governor Peter Mba, I'm the reason Enugu State. Anambra State House, Imo, houses, Abia, Ebony, Enugu, all of them build house in that place that were demolishing their houses. Governor Peter Mba, I want you to answer me this question. I want you to answer me this question. Ega want the reason if it batarano Enugu State. Actually, the reason whether they do against Igbos, say the support of Igbos, whether they Igbo Igbos or Igbo. So whether they Igbo Frani, say Igbo. I want to know. I know you munai habata uno. Iwe ngobi. Na kuti usunu fe. Ne demolish fe because of the authority ngwele. Actually, the reason. Kamala ni buku onye Igbo so Igbo Frani. I want to know. I want to know whether that land in that houses that were demolished. I want to know whether that houses or the problem of Enugu State. I want to know, Governor Peter Mba, answer me this question. Get you the kind of heart Igbo politicians in where? Whether na Jagabans for a phone, so go okay, started demolish, find somewhere where you go feed demolish Igbo houses. Whether if you do that thing in Enugu State now, Lagos State they do their own, so it will look like that Lagos Enugu State governor are demolishing houses, government land, something like that. They will find 1 gram or we wanna go talk, because to form glamour not the hard owner. Want to try Lalomana, you people will just find one name the thing immediately. Now Lagos State governor are doing their own. Enugu are doing their own. So when I go use this thing to remove our mind, now we no go feel remember about what is happening in Lagos. We talk saying so then they do them all the Nigerians and so then they do them. But on my plan, the Enugu State governor, I'm still waiting for your question. Enugu State governor, email. I don't know why you people, I don't know how you people are thinking. To build house, to buy 100 bags of cement is other easy. Even to buy a plot of land or 2 plot of land, other easy. But somebody got out for Ghana. No. Do you know how many years he took them to buy land, to build house? Some of them save money. Some of them build 1 house 5 years, 7 years. They build a house. You just come and demolish it because of the political power you have as a governor. You just demolish them house. Nothing is happening. Do you know how many people that you have offended that place? How many people that they get BP? BP just buy them, then just die like that. Do you know how many of them they are stroke? How many of them? Do you know how many of them in Manalo? And you are just feeling the last, working with the security. I go if you're hungry, go eat food. Tomorrow you go church. Governor Peter Mba, if from my church where they come, if you say I'm a pastor, I have church, I have my own church. If you say you are my member, or guy, if you come to carry your offering, go back in Malalo. Imechalo man nini na Enugu. Erochalo man nini na Enugu. E can be a church in you. Who will receive that your gift? Do you think that God will receive it? Priests will receive it. They will eat it, but God will receive him. Hello. Do you know what it takes somebody to buy land to build a house? Those people go land, they are fighting a zoo. They are not criminals. Because you politicians waste too money. You can buy anything you want to buy. But these people save money with their hustle. They suffer to buy land. They suffer to build house. After they do those things, you just demolish it. 10 years suffer. 20 years salary no money. 15 years salary. You just a 1 hour demolish it and you are working. Think that God is happy with you. Think that God is happy with you when God will start judging you. When God will start judging you, you will know. Just I don't really understand the way some governors are thinking. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph. Shalom.